Hello guys, it's Riches and I feel super amazing to have you here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install and download any app of your choice on your PC, right, with just a simple click. But before we go into doing that, right, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, come on, what are you waiting for? You've got superpower and it's about time you use it. Smash the subscription button so that whenever I make awesome videos like the one you're about to watch, you'll be the first to watch and make more informed decisions. So now that you've done that, let's go get those apps on your PC,
right? So what you have to do is, first of all, you go to your Windows Store, right? So just go to click on Start, then search for Windows Store. So just type Store. So here, this is Microsoft Store, right? So it's going to require you, if you don't have an account, it's going to require you to create an account. So I have an account here. My account is signed in here. That's why you see RO, this Riches Energy. So here, right, if you sign out, it'll tell you to create your account. So you put your email and you put your email and your password, right? So to install any app of your choice, you just click on search. So for example, I'm going to go to the apps tab. I'm going to install WhatsApp on my laptop, right? So just type WhatsApp, right, and boom, it's going to populate like search results, and you will just click the one you want, right? So here you click on get, so it's paused. So for example, this WhatsApp beta, you can install any app of your choice. So for instance, Facebook. So Facebook for desktop, you click on enter. It's as easy as that. Click on install. So you see starting download, and then just allow it for download to be completed, guys. So that's how to install and that's how to download and install apps on your desktop. It's pretty easy, right? So for this, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to use the superpower and hit the subscription button, right, so that whenever I make awesome videos like this, you'll be the first to watch, and also to encourage me to keep making awesome videos like this. Thanks for watching. Cheers, till next time.